Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create basic hover animations for button in Webflow. So we will add a default button, and first thing we will do is give some styling to this button. We will give more left and right padding, and also here, let's say 15. We will change the size of the text, let's say 22 pixels, and actually that's too much, let's say 18 pixels. Okay, that's okay. We'll give it some border radius of 5 pixels. Actually, let's do more, like 10. And let's change the color of this button in something more better looking. Okay, this purple color is okay. And now to add some basic hover animations for the button without using this option, interactions, because these are for complex animations. We need to go here, we need to click on button, click this arrow here and go to hover. And now any styling you do now on this button will change when you hover over it. And when we change it, let's say we change this transparency to like 45, and now you click anywhere else on the website, and now we have saved it. So now whenever you hover over this button you get this animation. And to change what happens after you hover the button, you click on the button, you go this arrow and you go to hover, and now we can see the styling that changes when we hover it. And now let's do something else. Let's change the color to green, and we click anywhere else on the website to save. And now when we hover, we get this green color. And to get more smooth animation, let's first publish the website. To get a smooth animation, I will show you what to do, because you see how quick it changes. We want to give it few seconds before it actually few milliseconds before this changes, to be more smooth, because this is too fast. And to do that, we click on the button, we go to transitions, and we click all properties, and we do like 300 milliseconds. And now we save it. And now when we hover over the button, it will be more smooth transition to the different color. You see how smooth it is.